back to the channel. It's me, Stardew, and if you were new here, hello, my name is Stardew. It is so nice to meet you. Dun 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 dun. Guess what we're doing today? I am back today with another recipe from the Final Fantasy XIV Cookbook. So, what are we making today? Oh my god, I am so glad you asked. We are making Kupo nuts. Wow, look at them, dude. They look like sesame balls. You know, like when you go to the Asian buffets and stuff, and it has like, sometimes it has like a filling inside. So they kind of look like that. I'm kind of excited, but we're making Kupo nuts. Kupo? I don't know. It's original cuisine from Giovannia. Kupos are one of my favorite little character. Dude, can you see this? It looks so bad, but Kupos are one of my favorite I guess little characters in the Final Fantasy series. One of the first beast tribes that I ended up maxing out in FF14 specifically was the Kupo beast tribe because I wanted the dance super bad. It's like you know which one? No? Did I? Anyway, it's a cute dance, okay? But they're super cute, they're super silly, and I love them. So I thought this would be a fun recipe to try today. So yeah, this is what they're supposed to look like. Look at the little Koopas. I love you, you're so cute. We have something here, and the, what's it called? The whatevers. The difficulty and stuff. It is difficulty easy. The prep time is 1 hour, rest time 1 hour, and it makes 18 to 20 balls, and the dietary notes are vegetarian. Wow, okay. So I'm really excited to try and make these. Let's go ahead and read what it says right here. Margaret and I have had quite the culinary cruise around Heideland, but she never stops talking about Kupo nuts. Yes. Anytime we find any, she eats them before I get to try them, so I decided to make my own Kupo nut recipe instead. I based all of the flavors and textures on the way Margaret talks about Kupo nuts, so I am most certain, most positive, that these taste just like the real thing. Those are big words. Those are big words, guys. And then right here it says, Johan, what are all these ingredients? Kupo nuts are just Kupo nuts. Yeah, they totally would. They're so cute. I love them. I thought this would be a fun thing to try. Some of the equipment that it requires is a food processor, which we have my little personal blender here instead to use. So we're gonna hope for the best. Probably gonna have to do it in like increments, depending. Whenever I was gathering all the ingredients, there is so much like, I want to say healthy stuff. I feel like a lot of this stuff is really good for fiber, so I'm gonna be feeling it later. Definitely, it seems like a very healthy snack. There is like a little asterisk right here, and right down here it says this recipe does not have an equivalent in-game item. Damn. And this is what they had it look like in here too, but like since the asterisk, so yeah. I don't think it's gonna be too bad. There's a lot of ingredients, but I don't think there's any baking involved. Low key? Yeah, I don't think so. I think it ends up being like, it's just all raw. That feels weird to say. But I'm looking forward to making this. I hope it doesn't taste odd or anything like that, or I make it odd. But I mean, we let it sit for an hour and then we try it after an hour, so. Also, only 4 steps to it, so I really don't think it's gonna be too crazy. I don't really do no bake recipes too often, so ooh, well, do I? I don't know, but anyway, I'm excited to try it. It seems like it's going to be a pretty healthy snack because there are literally walnuts, cashews, pistachios, and then we use almond butter. And dude, we use so much, 3/4 cup of almond butter. Damn. Okay, but let's see how it works out. I'm feeling very, very positive on it. I mean, it is difficulty easy, so I mean, high hopes or regular hopes? Hope. Okay, let's get started. And here are all of the ingredients. Wow, like that's so much almond butter. And these dark chocolate chips that I got, I didn't realize until I was pouring it out that they're like sugar-free chocolate chips made with like monk fruit or something. I threw away the bag. But I'm hoping it doesn't taste too strange, but I also don't know what to expect with the taste. So, hoping for the best. Place the walnuts, cashews, and pistachios in a food processor. Pulse until the nuts are crumbled. Add the almond butter, honey, maple syrup, ground flaxseed, chia seeds, flaky salt, dried cherries, and chocolate chips to blend until completely combined. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Transfer the mixture into a bowl. Form 1 tablespoon of the mixture into a ball. Fill a resealable bag with the white and black sesame seeds. Working with one ball at a time, put the ball in the bag and toss it until it is coated with sesame seeds. Place each ball back on the prepared baking sheet, spread about a 1/4 inch apart. Chill in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Transfer the balls to an airtight container. The Kupo nuts can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. And here's the review. They look cute. Meow. Okay, y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Okay, sorry. Let's try it. I smell like, I think I mostly smell the almond butter. Checks out. Hold on, let me blow my nose. Okay, let's try it. You can see how I didn't blend it all the way. This actually tastes pretty good though. Damn, actually, this tastes pretty good. Okay. That is honestly such a nice sweet treat. Like, and the chocolate doesn't taste that weird, considering the fact that it was like different than regular chocolate chips, I guess, that I'm used to. But I think it turned out pretty good. I can kind of taste the cherries, which I think they ended up getting blended up pretty okay, but after this endeavor, I think I'm gonna have to invest in a food processor blender typey thingy because it low-key sucked. It definitely took twice as long to like get everything all blended together because I had to keep doing it in like 3 parts because like I put it all together and stuff, but then it's like whoosh, it filled up pretty quickly. There's like a max, and I mean I should have known that that was going to happen. Low-key, high-key, generally. I don't know, like I taste like a little bit of the cherry right now. It's not that bad. It's actually not bad at all. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm pleasantly surprised. I honestly went in with like no expectations. So it kind of did suck like getting everything all blended together, but after it was, for the most part, I didn't get everything totally like broken down. Some of the nuts just didn't completely break down, but that's okay. Honestly, I kind of prefer it this way to have a little bit more of a crunch going on in there, which is what I did notice in the first bite. So I am happy with that. So I guess it kind of just goes into personal preference. I didn't make it 100% on the cookbook, but I did it with what I had. So I mean, I guess it's good enough, right? I don't know. Would I make this again? If I had a food processor, yeah, probably. I think it ends up being like a pretty good healthy snack since there's like so much, I guess, good stuff in it. I don't know, I was pretty excited to use ground flaxseed for the first time. So it was pretty cool because I've been meaning to like try recipes with that. So now I have no excuse. Yeah, I guess that's all I got for you guys today. I didn't even finish the whole thing. It's like a truffle. I actually full of shit. I don't know what truffles are made out of. I don't know, or how to make a truffle. But this tastes good. Blended, yummy, made into a ball, refrigerator for an hour, boom, bada bing, bada boom, nope, boom, boom, pow. I don't know, it wasn't bad. Honestly, I think it was just the most time consuming part was blending everything, and so, get better. The only thing is just get better. What is the word? Supplies? No, what? Items? Better tools? I don't know. I just need to get a better thing. I'm gonna remember the word I'm trying to find when I'm editing. I bet you. But anyway, that's the only complaint that I have with it. I think it turned out pretty good, pretty solid. They're good for up to 2 weeks, so I can take my time eating it and stuff. Yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. What did you guys think? I thought it had been a while since I had done a recipe from the Final Fantasy Cookbook, so I thought it was really nice to try out this, and it really wasn't the worst in the world. So if there's anything that you guys want to see from the Final Fantasy XIV Cookbook, please let me know in the comments down below. I have a list of options right here for you guys, so you can take a little pause or whatever and like see if there's anything that seems pretty interesting. I'll try making it to the best of my ability. I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day for watching through this video and making it until the end. Let me know what you thought about it. If you ended up liking the video, please leave a like and or a comment or whatever. You don't have to, but thank you guys again for stopping by today. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!